Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Google Pixel 6a has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. So let's check all of the sides of this device, and on top there's no speaker, there's only microphone, and right here on top of the screen there is actually speaker right here. So that's a phone call speaker, which you usually hear from when being on call. On the bottom there's two speakers right here. On the right there's nothing, and on the left there's also not any sign of a speaker. On the back the same, no speakers. So now we'll need to play some music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers and see if the sound is coming from two sources. So if the sound is coming from both of the speakers, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's play music. So I can confirm that the sound is coming from the top of this device right here in the phone call speaker, and also from the both of these speakers, and that confirms it's a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.